Ngamalala, the son of the soil and the distinguished leader of blacks in general and Africans in particular. Sibingelele ubuholi besifundazwe obuholwa ubaba uMacingwane nobaba uKhuba. Siphinde futhi sibingelele ubuholi besifunda saseThekwini, the leadership of the region. Siphinde sibingelele the most important people and the driving forces of the revolution. Sibingelele nina ma comrades. I am saying you are the most important people in the revolution, because the revolution is nothing without you. Umzabalazo wokulwela ukukhululwa komuntu omnyama ngaphandle kwenu awulutho. You are a primary driving force of the organization. Sithi ke Maqabane asiqale ngokunibonga ukuthi umasi ubuholi bukazwelonke sishaya ikhwelo sithi ake sihlanganeni siyiregion yaseThekwini sizodingida ukuthi indlela yaphambili siyakha kanjani. Ningabi sabuza kodwa nisondele. That's how a revolutionary operates. When you are a revolutionary, you operate like a soldier that is always walking around carrying a gun. Sizela comrades ubuholi bukazwelonke be-MK Party sizo-communicate ama-decisions athathwa kumhlangano esasiwuhleli kwinyanga edlule. But before we took those decisions, senza lento ekuthiwa ucwaninga ukuthi organization imi kanjani kulesikhathi esikusona, nanokuthi yizini izinto esingayisebenzisa ukwelapha ingqinamba iorganization ebhekene nazo. Eyokuqala i-analysis esayenza eyokuthi when the MK Party was formed, or when the announcement was made by President Zuma on the 16th of December 2023, the MK Party had a twofold immediate responsibility. The first responsibility, which was immediate, was a responsibility of preparing the party for the elections, because we were approaching the election cycle. The second responsibility we had is a responsibility of building and establishing the MK Party as a formidable voice of the left, and of establishing the MK Party as an alternative organization for black people and those black people who are oppressed by the system. Kwasho ukuthi comrade sasesele nenyanga ezimbalwa ukuthi sifike kuma elections, sangasithola isikhathi esi-enough as an organization esokuthi sizakhe kahle ukuze sibe organization organized, because the task that we have to focus to is a task of consolidating our program of actions as we were approaching the national government elections. Lokho ke comrade kwenza ukuthi organization yethu ingakwazi ngisho nokucubungula amalunga ayijoyinayo, ingakwazi futhi nokucubungula kahle abantu abanikeza i-responsibility yokuthi bayihole. Because comrades, the MK Party is a party that must be different from all other parties. ama-tendencies esiwabona kwezinye iy'nhlangano akufanelanga amultiplye ku-MK Party, because abantu base-South Africa have lost confidence in the electoral system. That is why uma kuyovotwa bengaphumi ezindlini. It's because they believe that all parties are telling nothing but lies. Uma kuwukuthi thina siyi-MK Party senza into eyifanayo nezenziwa amanye ama-parties asedlale ngabantu, abantu bazotha umehluko between the party nama-party esisuka kuwona. Okwesibili, comrade, sine-responsibility, a collective responsibility as the membership of the organization to fight against factionalism, because uma siyeke factionalism isi-affect siyi-party asizukwazi ukuthi siyelaphe. Uma siyeka ihlala isikhathi eside ibe kwi-DNA organization. Uqala, comrade, ukuba umholi ukuthi kufanele uqonde ukuthi i-organization is a convergence of ideas, and i-organization inabantu abanamibono ehlukene abazokuchallenge ngesinye isikhathi umholi wabo, and lokho akuchazi ukuthi ngoba bayakuchallenge kufanele wena uba marginalize kwi-organization, because this party belongs to all of us. It does not belong to those who are given a certain responsibility to lead. Uma umholi kufanele uqonde ukuthi une-responsibility to embrace everyone in the organization. Ungathathi i-organization uyenze into yabangani bakho. Because, comrade, uma ngabe reduce the organization to an entity of your friends, you are going to compromise its credibility. Ngoba labantu ongabafuni kungenzeka ukuthi bona bazolekelela i-organization. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi wena you are suffering from i-political insecurity, awunayo i-political tolerance, abantu abakuphikisayo ubabona as an enemy. Comrade, there are no enemies from within the MK Party. The only enemy we have as an organization is an enemy that thrives through suppressing black people, is an enemy that thrives through exploiting the working class. That is the only enemy that we know as the MK Party. Uma ukuthi wena ubona ama-enemies here, it means you are in a wrong place. Ngoba, comrade, kufanele sikhuze imikhuba esiyibona ngale kwamanye ama-organizations, ngoba bahlale naye le mikhuba isikhathi eside, and uma uyiyeka i-organization lokuyidla kancane kancane iziphele niyibone seyicollapse i-organization, kanti you have allowed ama-tendencies to prevail in the organization. It's our collective responsibility, comrade, to ensure that the membership of this organization is united. Because when this party was formed, yayikiwela ukuthi ibe yiviheki eyokuthi isenza amakhansela nomeya, kodwa yakhiwela ukuthi ikhulula abantu abamnyama base-South Africa. Izona izinto, comrade, esibona ukuthi lezo ama-comrade amaningi awaziqondi kahle, yingakho eqhubeka ngokuthi alwe ikhundla. comrades into yokulwela ikhundla ayiphele namhlanje into yama-parallel structures. Today comrade sizophuma sikhuluma ngazwi linye. If you are still in a factional corner, you must come back from that factional corner and belong to the organization, because there is going to be one center and the center must hold. Akufanelanga comrade kuba ngazi ukuthi siyinhlangano yabantu abangakwazi ukucabanga. Enye into ekufanele siyivale namhlanje yilento yokukhuluma ngezinto ze-organization ngama-voice notes. Comrade, we are not the only organization which has internal problems. Ama-organizations wonke aney'nkinga zangaphakathi, kodwa nina ngeke nize nazi ngoba bane-art eyokudila nama-differences are-internal. But ezeni inkinga zaziwa umhlaba wonke ngoba nina ngena kuma-voice notes nikhuluma into ze-organization. We must enforce discipline, comrade. Uma utholakala ukhuluma ngento ze-organization ngama-voice note, you must be subjected to disciplinary processes. Ukhona ngengambona ku-TikTok e-attacker u-provincial chairperson uMaqingwane. Ayenziwa leyo nto comrade. uMaqingwane is our provincial face. We have a responsibility to defend him, because when we defend him, we are defending the image of the organization. Therefore, an attack to uMaqingwane is an attack to the organization. And we must defend him with everything in our hands, because umasiyeka bazoyeka attack uMaqingwane masingabakhuzi bazogcina sebe-attack i-organization. We've got that responsibility. Comrades, namhlanje sizothi kunina ama-ambitions okuba amakhansela nokuba omeya awaphele. They must come to an end. They must come to an end. Ngoba yiwona lenza ukuthi sigcine sesixabana sodwa singakayiwini nokuyiwini power. Yiwona lenza ukuthi kugcina sekukhona abantu abasebenzisa ama-processes we-organization ukudila nama-members athile. No one must be dealt with here. We all enjoy equal status in the organization. This is our organization. It belongs to all of us. Uma kuwukuthi wena uyalida ngaleso sikhathi akuchazi lokho ukuthi kufanele usikhukhumale sonke ngoba unikezwe i-responsibility yokulida. Leading, comrade, is not a right but a privilege. And ukuba yilida into engathathwa noma yinini na, kungasa kusasa ungasayela umholi. So we ordinary member. Therefore, uma ube ne-privilege yokuthola i-leadership responsibility, musu uyisebenzisa ukulwisa ama-members omkhonto. But you must use it to liberate all members of the MK party. Namhlanje comrade, asifuni ukuphinde sizwe ikhalo zokuthi eThekwini ama-comrade ayalwa wodwa. Asifuni ukuzwa ikhalo zokuthi eThekwini kunama-comrade athatha imali kubantu be-ANC. Namhlanje, today, we are here to bury the devil. Usathane sizomngcwaba namhlanje. Sizokwathi organization united. We are here to build a strong organization that will continue to be the voice of the people of South Africa. Uma uthi wena uzoqhubeka nezimpi lokho kochaza ukuthi awuyiqondi le assignment esayinikezwa umtholozi ngomhla ka-16 December 2023. Benithandlule nje lapho comrades. Nawe sikuzele namhlanje. We are here to communicate the resolutions of the officials meeting, a meeting which was held in April 2025. Sithe uma sibuka isimo se-organization, sibuka ne-stage of readiness towards 2026 local government elections. Sasesibona ukuthi if we do not make immediate interventions which are going to reshape the livelihood of the organization, we are going to kiss elections and say goodbye. Sasa sithi kuyafanele ukuthi singenelele ukuze i-organization izokwazi ukuthi ifike kuma-elections i-ready, ifike kuma-elections i-united. Sasa sithatha i-resolution yokuthi we must visit all provinces in the country. Siyo-communicate isinqumo esithi wonke umuntu okwi-leadership yesifundazwe nakwi-leadership yey'fundwa have been dissolved. So we are here, comrades, to communicate that decision. We must communicate your decision. As we communicate ngoba sithi abafowethu abawona umkhonto noma sithi bayigebengu noma abenzile kahle. It's not personal. It's a matter of principle. And we say we appreciate the responsibility that they have played to lead this organization during difficult moments. Siyaba appreciate our comrades because eThekwini there was no vacuum. Bekhona leadership because of them. So asilwi nawo lama comrades. We have taken the decision for the best interest of the organization. So, comrades, we are now going to establish an unprecedented and a new process of identifying comrades who are going to help the MK party during the election cycle. Sithi Makabane ngakhethwa umongameli ukuthi angibe u-SG engithatha le emakhaya emzimkhulu, that's where I come from. Uma uthi kunomvalo aka-appoint i-structure across the country, unomvalo uzawazelapha ama-comrade aseVembe region, uzawazelapha ama-comrade aseNelson Mandela region, because the next thing is that I am going to abuse processes and I am going to use the appointment process for my friends only. And was saying to avoid that, asithathe process ibuyiselebuni as a membership of the organization. Because Nina, you know your daily challenges. And niyabazi abantu abanamakhono ukuthi banganilekelela ukulungisa ingqinamba enibhekene nazo zonke insuku emakhaya. Sathi ke comrade, asike sizame le process. Sesiyenze uma province awu-8. KZN is the last province. And kuwo wonke comrade, ama province esesiwahambele, there was the highest level of discipline. I'm sure even yourselves, angaze nibone ey'ndabeni kundisa itulo phezulu ama-comrade wethu ebanga ikhundla. Kusho ukuthi makungenzeka lokho kungabe kuyaqala la namhlanje. But siyanethemba comrade. We rely on your wisdom. We believe that you owe your loyalty to the MK party. And you will never do anything that will put the name of the MK party down. Siyekela kunina, kodwa umayehlula ma comrade. Because at the end of the day, we must have an organization which is responsive to the needs of our people. We must have an organization which is functional. Umayehlula, umongameli uzo-appoint. So i-appointela because akufanelanga kube ne-vacuum. But asifuni sifike lapho. Siyidedelela kunina. That is why uma umengameli eseqede ukukhuluma, sizocela ukuthi ama-comrade ahlukane ngokwamazone. eThekwini sinamazone awu-16. Nizohlukana from zone 1 until zone 16. Sizonikeza isikhathi esingange-hour ukuthi lalelani phela comrades, lalelani maqabane. Sizonikeza i-hour ukuthi niyokhuluma nge-unit, ukuthi niwa-unite kanjani amazone. Niphinde nikhulume ngama-comrades azolekelela i-MK party uma siya kuma-elections. And lama comrades sizowanikeza ama-terms of reference achazayo ukuthi yini efanele bayenze ngesiphi isikhathi nangoluphi usuku. Ama-terms of reference are-programmatic, anama-programs ukuthi on Friday this is what we are doing, on Saturday uvakashela amakhosi, on Sunday uvakashela amasonto. Sizonikeza structure enizovumelana ngaso unanimously. Asizange ukuzovota sizokhuluma ipolitiki comrades. So ningayi ne-attitude yokuthi kuyovotwa kuma-commissions. Aniyini ukuyovota. And uma kuwukuthi anivumelani, we are going to intervene and prioritize ama-zones avumelanayo. So uma uzone 1 efika la athi thina siredi, sivumelene ngale comrade, sizolithatha. Uma uzone 2 ethi asivumelene, sizombeka eceleni. So ninga-compromise izone yenu comrade. Ningayi-abuse the process, because we are testing your wisdom and we are testing your loyalty to the organization. Siyacela ukuthi uma niyenza le process nibalansise igender. kungabi structure samadoda wodwa, kube structure somama nobaba. Kusho ukuthi ke nama zones you are going to engage amongst yourself. Nivumelana ukuthi thina su1 sambisa umuntu wesilisa, su2 sambisa umuntu ongumama. Thina sothatha amagama enisinikeze wona comrade, ngoba sinenkolelo yokuthi iorganization niyazi kangcono, senibe neminyaka emibili nikuyona. There is no way that you do not know each other. So the process ke ma comrades izohamba kanjalo. Ngicela ukubiza ubaba uMaqingwane ukuthi azosisukumisela upresident. Amandla awethu.